indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, premium sound system, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, stability control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, lane departure warning, keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.